Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bead Jewelry Kit is probably one of the most rewarding, relaxing creative outlets you can explore, perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Unleash your inner artist and create stunning jewelry pieces with our comprehensive kit, filled with a variety of beads, tools, and easy-to-follow instructions, allowing you to transform your creative visions into beautiful, wearable art. Number 5. Just My Style ABC Beads. It's time to unleash your creativity. This kit lets you make over 40 unique accessories. Follow the easy instructions or let your imagination run wild. With 1,000 plus beads and charms, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match to create custom jewelry, keychains, and more. Express yourself by spelling out names, phrases, or words with alphabet beads and neon charms. It's fun and educational. Beading is a fantastic way to improve hand-eye coordination and boost self-expression. It's fun for all ages. This complete kit includes elastic cord, alphabet beads, neon beads, plastic clips, wax cords, assorted beads, alphabet charms, a key ring, star beads, satin cords, and easy-to-follow instructions. You're all set to start creating. What we like? It has a massive collection of beads and alphabet charms, perfect for creating personalized accessories. The step-by-step instructions make it ideal for beginners. If you are looking for a kit to create customized jewelry with your name or special words, this is the one for you. What people say. Great for adults and kids of all ages. My son likes to make gifts for his auntie every time he sees her, and these are the type of thing that make a great gifting idea for kids to make and give to loved ones. There's lots of beads included to make lots of different designs. I personally love how many letter beads this kit includes, and the mix of letters is great. Kids have first names, last names, their initials, or BFF's initials. Lots and lots of beads to keep my 7-year-old granddaughter busy and happy. It is a good gift for school holidays to give some peace and quiet all around. Number 4. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Kit. It includes 5,520 clay beads in 24 colors, 550 charms, elastic strings, scissors, everything needed to create beautiful bracelets and jewelry. With 24 bright colors, you can mix and match to make unique bracelets, necklaces, or earrings. Let your creativity shine. These beads are made of durable polymer clay, are lightweight, and won't fade easily. They're perfect for everyday wear. Use them for bracelets, necklaces, earrings, keychains. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and make personalized gifts. It's a fun and meaningful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a great way to encourage creativity and self-expression. We carefully check each bead to ensure high quality. Enjoy crafting with confidence. What we like? This kit boasts an impressive array of 24 colors and 550 plus charms. The wide variety of beads allows for endless creative possibilities. If you enjoy vibrant colors and want a diverse selection to work with, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is a comprehensive set featuring 24 colors of flat polymer clay beads, charms, and accessories for crafting friendship bracelets and jewelry. Includes charms, spacers, and strings for diverse bracelet and jewelry creations. Durable polymer clay beads that are lightweight and easy to handle. Number 3. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit has everything she needs to make bracelets, necklaces, and rings. With so many colors and shapes to choose from, the possibilities are endless. It even includes 2 hairbands. Designed for easy use, even the youngest crafters can connect and disconnect the beads without any trouble. It's super simple. Just snap the beads together to create amazing jewelry. No messy threads required. Make unique pieces that reflect her personality. It's a fun and rewarding activity for kids. It's the perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Watch her imagination shine. What we like? With 520 snap beads, this kit is incredibly easy to use, even for young children. No threading is required, making it perfect for little hands. If you're looking for a simple and fun craft for young children, this is the best option. What people say. The little parts don't break easily. The carrying case is also good quality and has held up for many uses over the past 5 months. They are easy to handle and such fun bright colors. Cute little beads set, but they're not average beads. It's almost like playing Legos, so they snap into place. It's a little hard at first, but my daughter's only 5. That could be why some of the beads I had to help her snap, but whatever the case, the variations of things that they can create is amazing. Very colorful, very durable, a cute little gift for young girls. Number 2. Seed Beads Craft Set. It includes 35,000 2mm glass seed beads, jump rings, charms, a beading needle, tweezers, and elastic strings. Everything you need to get started. This set boasts a wide variety of colors, from rainbow to metallic, allowing you to create stunning jewelry pieces. Let your creativity shine. With alphabet beads and charming pendants, it adds a personalized touch to your designs. Make bracelets, necklaces, or anything you can imagine. It's perfect for bracelets, necklaces, anklets, keychains. The possibilities are endless. Unleash your inner artist. This kit makes a wonderful gift for friends, family, or yourself. It's a fun and creative way to celebrate any occasion. What we like. This kit includes a whopping 35,000 beads, along with all the necessary tools and alphabet beads. You'll have everything you need to create intricate designs. If you're a serious beader and need a large supply of beads, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Nice variety of beads, well worth the money. Beads were not mixed up. It is a very nice kit. One of my friends taught me how to use seed beads like those in this kit to make flower bracelets, and I immediately ordered this. The kit contained all the necessary materials to make these and came with great color options. Number 1. MODDA Deluxe Jewelry Kit. This kit has everything you need to start making jewelry. It includes beads, tools, and a video course to guide you through the process. With 15 videos and all the necessary supplies, you'll be able to create earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. The kit features vibrant and high-quality beads, carefully selected for their color and theme. You'll love the beautiful results. Set up your own beading party in minutes. This kit makes it easy to create fabulous jewelry with friends and family. The easy-to-follow instructions and videos make it fun for everyone. We're confident you'll love this kit. It comes with our 100% customer satisfaction and money-back guarantee. We're here to help you become the beater you always wanted to be. What we like. This deluxe kit comes with a video course to guide you through the process. It also includes high-quality beads and all the necessary tools. If you are a beginner or want to learn new techniques, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to learn to make jewelry, plus has free videos that actually show you how to do all of the basics of jewelry making. This high-quality set includes all the beautiful pieces needed to create unique and stunning pieces of jewelry. The stones are of excellent quality and beautifully crafted, making them a joy to work with. The set is perfect for beginners as well as experienced jewelry makers. It has everything you need to just start, right from the box. The container everything comes in is so great too, a 3-tier plastic organizer, with compartments. All the different beads and components are also pre-packaged in individual plastic bags. It came with a variety of beads and charms, so I can see which type I really gravitate towards and enjoy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.